Hello everyone, welcome back to the live trading with Golden Girl today. Hello. Hi Alex. Hi Trading with Flo. Hi Mike. Is it able to reach 3672? Yeah, it's totally possible. Okay, and as you can see on the chart, I draw two trend line, and this is the channel of gold movement today. And yeah, you can see that yesterday in the London session, right? In the London session and New York session, there was a short term. The market was in a short term adjustment. And now it's heading back and recover steadily to the middle of the path. Yeah, recovery, middle of the path. And now I believe that today we have special news. Core PPI month over month and PPI month over month. And as you can see that the forecast data now is lower than the previous one. And if you pay attention to the economy data relating to inflations and also USD strength, most of them was negative for USD. And now all the factors is heading to the pressure, to Fed about interest rate cut. Okay, and that is also the main reason for gold bullish momentum recently. And yeah, for me, if gold, if today core PPI and PPI news release about 2 hours later, that's again they are negative for USD strength once again. This is also another factor that help gold break the current channel and heading to a new 88. And as I share with you that the current trend, the natural trend of gold is always uptrend. Okay, and just moving sideways is gold moving sideways is kind of resting. The market is kind of resting and wait for the next explosion. Okay, and now it's time for gold to taking a short break before heading to a new peak. And my stream that happened last Monday, this was the signal I set up for you. And this is kind of another better entry zone for all of us. If you follow the current trend, is uptrend, and you can see that most of my signal post for you is about buy signal, right? Because trends is our friend. Just follow our trend, our friend, and we will get good result. And the reason is just about to get the good position. Where is the best place, best entry zone for us to enter? Okay, and you can see that the price range of gold is kind of fluctuation, right? With high volatility. Only 2 days, it's moved more than $40, more than 400 pips. And if you still hold this buy position because you follow the current trend, obviously, I definitely with you. A massive profit you gain recently, right? And last week, I already provide with you by scalping signal. Most of the scalping signal I posted on my stream, on my VIP signal group. And my gold trading plan, we have all the opposite signal. Sell scalping signal, but also brought a lot of profit for us, right? Because I can measure the reflection entry zone for sell scalping signal, but do not take too much hope. Do not give too much hope about the longer profit for sell scalping signal. Just around 50 to 70 pips is too really okay. Really perfect for any sell scalping signal. But for buy signal, we can hold for very, very high take profit level. And And yeah, if you still remember that last week I already supplied the entry zone around 35.16. Yeah, very low from here, and that's what just the beginning. Yeah, that's what just the beginning of the current uptrend, and it's happened until now. Enter the trade now. Okay, so you can see that in 1 hour time frame there are continuous bullish candle. So this is indicate for the current FOMO price. Yeah, there's not any good entry zone for us to enter because we need the retracement. Yeah, we need to wait for the entry zone which is matching with the pullback level. Yeah, pullback level of price goal. Yeah, to give us the good entry zone. Okay. And this is just for remind you about our previous scalping signal. And do you still hold this? Anyone still hold this entry zone so far? 36.16 to 36.14. Anyone still hold it? Let me know. Comment yes if you still hold this position. Okay, I guess that no one still hope. Okay, yeah, I understand because most of us choose scalpers. Yeah, quick in and quick out, so it's easy for me to understand. And yeah, every type of trading also have advantage, and quick in quick out also have a very good advantage for all of us. Like we can increase our winning rate and safely. Yeah, the safety when we trade quick in and quick out. Okay, and for swing traders there contains a lot of risk, and that is the reason why it's easily for me to understand that we cannot hold any position for too long unless you are already experienced. Yeah, have a lot of experience with this gold market, and yeah, have some advanced knowledge about the technical analysis. But that's just fine. And today let's wait for the market so that I will do the analysis and set up for you the suitable scalping signal. Okay, let's wait. And now price is to FOMO, and in 1 hour chart you can see that it start forming a bearish candle at the moment. So we will wait for the better entry zone. Yeah, to set up another buy scalping signal, of course. Yeah, but not any entry zone that we can enter. Yeah, I understand that you're kind of hurry for the scalping signal today. Okay, so no worry about us because you can see on the chart that on your left side there are two scalping signals. You can set the limit order for two buy and sell scalping signal according to my gold trading plan. Yeah, the entry is only kind of far, but yeah, who knows. Today's Wednesday, right? On Monday and Tuesday, yeah, 2 day continuous that my gold trading plan continuous bringing profit to all of my members that join my channel. So don't ignore it. That's your opportunity to maximize your profit. And remember this, please. All this gold trading plan signal, yeah, will be valid until 9 p.m. in France time. Okay, according to France time, 9 p.m. And after that, remove all of your limit order if those entry zones haven't been active. Okay, so, and I also noticed to the post that I posted in my channel on Telegram, and this is for your reminder. Okay, for your reminder about the valid time of any gold trading plan scalping signal. Yeah, because if anyone forget to delete to remove the limit order, and when it's active, and yeah, sometimes it will hit your stop loss level. Okay, so now I will wait, go to heading back to a lower zone. And yeah, let me zoom in, zoom out the chart for you to see the candle clearer. Yeah, you can see that this is the area that the previous bullish candle breakout, 49. Yeah, 49, 48. Let's lower a bit. Okay, let me lower the entry zone a bit. Exactly, we need to measure it exactly. Okay, 48 to 46 is the bright zone. That's the previous candle breakout and heading to a higher level. Okay, so that we will set up another buy scalping signal at the entry zone 36.48 to 36.46. Yeah, this one set up based on the breakout. Yeah, breakout area. According to Dow theory or breakout theory, that price we need to retest before it heading. It's coming back to the previous trend. Yeah, follow the previous trend. Okay, so let's follow this breakout area. So that is the reason why I do not encourage you to enter any random trade at the moment, because price is already FOMO. Yeah, and we need to wait for the better position to enter any scalping signal. You know that our risk reward ratio and our stop loss level is just about 50 pips, which is $5. So how to identify the best entry zone is very important for us. Yeah, especially for scalpers, right? If you're a swing trader or intraday, your stop loss level is definitely higher than 50 pips. Yeah, because it also depends to your analysis in a big time frame. Yeah, and sometimes the stop loss level may up to $10. Yeah, or $7. It depends to the market pattern. But for me, the stop loss level, it must be appropriate with your capital. If you set the stop loss sorry. If you set the stop loss level more than $10, but your capital is kind of small, it's not okay for us, right? And if your trading psychology is not stable and easily affected by other factors like the market fluctuations, so it's very difficult for you to follow the swing trading. And the best tips for you to get used to trading, for the first step, we should start with scalping. Okay, and normally that every scalping signal that I set, the stop loss level is just around 50 pips. Yeah. Okay, so we will wait for the below entry zone, and yeah, be patient with gold today. Thank you so much, Trading with Flow. Yeah, every day I will do my best, yeah, to set up this scalping signal, qualified scalping signal for all of my members. Not only my VIP member, but also my new friends. My friends already been with me for very, very long time. Yeah, since I started to build a community on Telegram, now it's already nearly 4 years. Yeah, nearly 4 years. And yeah, time flies so fast. And luckily that I still have a lot of positive support from all of you and my friends all around the world. Yeah, together we watch my stream every time and share the story and experience so that we can learn each other mutually. And yeah, that is my vision, my main purpose since I start building my channel, not only on Telegram but also on YouTube. Okay, hello Miraz. Hi Kagape. Hi Jet. Oh, today there's a lot of new friends joining my stream. I wonder if you are new guys or really been with me for a long time but do not interact with me on the chat box. Hi Bear. Nice to see you again. Some friends that sorry I cannot spell your name because different word, yeah, different letter. Sorry, I cannot spell your name. Hi. Wow, so happy that today I have many new friends joining my stream. And yeah, it's kind of touch wood viewers at the moment. No, I'm not from Philippines. Half Asian girl, and now I'm living with my family in France. Yeah, now I try to speak in French, but yeah, you know that is kind of difficult. And I use English in my stream so that everyone can understand. Yeah, easily. I hope so. Hi, Newey. Oh, you're new. Thank you so much. And don't forget to subscribe me on YouTube and follow my community on Telegram. Yeah, there's a lot of useful information about the market insights that I will supply to you every day. Okay, not only the news relating to currency pairs, but also BTC analysis and my gold trading plan. Yeah. Okay, it's now heading down and let's observe a smaller time frame to see what is going on in detail. Yeah, it's starting dropping. It's starting dropping down because previous one was a continuous bullish candle. Yeah. You can say that the market moving sideways in 1 hour, yeah, nearly 1 hour, and then after that it's breakout from the above level. Yeah, drawing the rectangle or triangle patterns is my favorite in doing analysis. Are you saying me? Because that's just the most easiest strategy, yeah, method that every trader can do. First, we need to identify the market trend, and you can use EMA to do it, right? To support you this. Second, we need to identify the market price zone. Okay, and third step is wait for confirmation. Yeah, wait for confirmation signal from the market, like any bullish candle or doji or any special candles that we will learn, yeah, in the near future. Yeah, and wait for the setup, for the confirmation to set up an entry zone. And in my VIP signal group, now I'm starting to organize the private live stream to share the basic to advanced knowledge about trading analysis skill, yeah, to all of my VIP members. And if you want to join in, you can send me direct message on Telegram so that I can instruct you to join in those lessons easily. Okay, so not only the scalping signal you will receive, but also a lot of lessons and other instruction about trading that I will share with you if you become my VIP members, but with a affordable fee. yeah, to pay every month. So I believe that everyone can do this. Yeah, and I know that some traders are not confident to set up your own entry zone, right? Because you're scared about the market will trap you, right? And other factors may cause you not confident. Yeah, a lot of noise about the market. So that is the reason why I set up my VIP members, yeah, to do my analysis and provide you a qualified scalping signal. And now gold has a clearer trend. Everyone can see that now it's heading to the current powerful strong uptrend. Yeah, and this time we need to capitalize the market. Previous 4 months the market moving in the sideways and continuous forming liquidity sweep, yeah, liquidity hunting, and it is very challenging when we trade the market in the market moving sideways situation. Yeah, and now it's already identified the specific trend, which is uptrend. Yeah, and now gold is still looking for a new all-time high. So we need to capitalize this movement, okay, to maximize our profit and gain what we lose. Yeah, what we lose last time. Hi Charles. Oh, long time no see you. Where have you been? How are you? What do you think results for news today? 80% of my point of view is that is another negative. Yeah, negative for USD. I will not supply the specific number because I'm not an economist, right? I cannot predict this, but in my point of view, 80% is gonna be negative for USD. Yeah, and now gold is stuck in the channel. Okay, let's go back to the 1 hour chart, and it's easily to heading up to a higher level, and 36 90 36 84. Sorry, it's not here. 36.94 is my sell zone for my gold trading plan today. So in today, London, at the end of London session and in the beginning of New York session, this is the price range of gold. Okay, we're stuck, and this range is kind of far, nearly $30 to $40. Yeah, it's kind of range. It's kind of large. Yeah, for the current entry zone. Sorry, for the current price movement. Now it's heading back again. Oh, it's just coming back to 51. Let's see today that is gonna hit our first entry zone or not. 51 is far away from our entry zone, around 30 pips, right? But I do not encourage you to be FOMO at this time. Yeah, for my analysis, that I set up this by scalping signal based on the breakout area here. I'm not sure that you can see this. Okay, I will mark it with this circle. This is the breakout level of the previous bullish candle, and that mean there's a lot of buyers locating here. Okay, but we need to wait that for the market will heading down and active for this signal or not. If we miss, okay, that's just fine. I will have another opportunity, and especially I will provide a scalping signal when we trade news together today. And if you want to receive those scalping signal, welcome to my VIP signal group. Okay, and I will continue to upload to update the relating news, yeah, and the result, public result of the special news today. So this week, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, these 3 days is kind of busy for the market and all investors. Yeah. And we keep relaxing on Monday and Tuesday already. And now it's time to be busy, right? PPI, core CPI, unemployment claims. Those are very important news, and most of the time in the beginning of any month. Yeah, that is very sensitive times, especially for gold traders like us. Yeah, because the market will face with non-farm payrolls. Yeah, and about interest rate cuts news in the beginning of any month. And now it's time for Fed cut interest rates, right? And this is the main factor that pushed the gold price heading up very strong recently. Okay. Oh, yeah, Josh, I understand that you are kind of busy. Okay, but anyway, today you can arrange your time to join my stream today. I'm very appreciated. Thank you so much. Hi, Jaya from Sri Lanka. Wow, it's very far away from my location. Okay, I hope you will enjoy my stream today. Yeah, now gold is just stuck. Yeah, struggling from those entry zone, from those area from 51 to 54. Yeah, so it's easily to understand, right? Because we're in the overlap time between London and New York session, and it's also the resting time for gold after heading to after breakout strongly from this zone. Wow, thank you so much, Trading with Flow. Yeah, that is my main purpose that I organized this stream. Yeah, because I just want to share with you and repeat for the keyword, the key factors that it will help you. No one can do this but you. Yeah, about to improve your trading skill. Yeah, no one can do that. The qualified scalping signal is just 50%, and half of it, 50% is you. Okay. So now it's heading up to a higher level that is easily to have another all-time high today. Not if today gold cannot make it. Yeah, definitely this week gold will forming all-time high. And we just naturally follow the trend, the market trend, and more winning rate for buy scalping signal. Okay. Oh, I just moving this arrow. And you can see that this time the market continues to forming very long shadow, very long wick here, and it's very dangerous, right? And in today trade news, gold have likely more chance to fill this gap, liquidity hunting. So this is we usually call a big player footprint. Yeah, the shark footprint. yesterday. You can say that this candle forming yesterday, and on Forex Factory there are not any special news, so we cannot let our guard down for the day that it seems like quiet on Forex Factory. Okay, because sharks can go hunting anytime, and our mission is always set the stop loss level for any layers you are in. In the New York session, yesterday New York session, the markets have a drastical dropping momentum, bearish momentum, and for me, I'm very scared for the shadow because that's time we're getting hunting and become the shark bait. Okay. But this is the factor that the market give us warning. About you must trade careful if you don't want to become the shark bait. That's this the market want to tell you. Whenever we see those footprints, long shadows is our warning first. And now in a small time frame like 5 minutes on the EMA ribbons are separate at the moment. Okay, still struggling from this. Okay, let me delete the black arrow, to observe the chart easily. And this circle was the breakout zone. Okay, for me that I should delete this because I already explained for you. Okay, gold cannot break out from this area because you see here there was a very long shadow of this candle, right? This is a pin bar, bearish pin bar candle, and it's forming. It indicates for strong bearish momentum here, forcing the buyers continue to make gold price increase. And after that, it's starting for a dropping, a bearish momentum. The short-term downtrend. Short-term downtrend. So let me check where this level. 55 to 56. Okay, so let's observe the chart. For me, I still keep the current scalping signal and wait for it to get this one active. And this is also a significant level that we need to observe. If gold break out from this entry zone, from this zone strongly, so it shows the big players' determinations to let the market get reaching to higher level. 55 to 56. But there will be two scenarios at this zone, so I do not decide to enter any trade. It's kind of dangerous, and for me the below breakout entry zone is safer. It's safer for us. Like you can see that there are a lot of trading volume here. So how to measure it? By using volume profile. You click to this and to this fixed range volume profile here, and then you choose the starting point. Is that anywhere you interested in? And now I'm interested to observe the trading volume from this shadow. This shadow of the candle. So I starting my starting point here. Click to this and stretch it out on the top, on the highest price at the moment, and click again. It will measure and show the bars. The blue one indicates for the buyers and the red bars indicates for the sellers. And you can see the longest bar is locating here, where is the market accumulating before it's breaking out. It broke out last time. Okay, so this is where many traders have orders here. So this is the platform more stable than this. You can see the trading volume is kind of less. It's less than the below level, 36.45. So if gold price is heading to a higher level, just let it go, and no worry, we are scalpers, and definitely there will be another opportunities for us. But it also depends to the time, and I only have 1 hour to interact with you on my stream, on my YouTube channel, and I will continue to update about the gold market and other news, especially PPI news today on my channel on Telegram. And if you don't want to miss every news that I publish on my community about the market, you copy the link that I put in the bios and paste it to your saved message on Telegram, and then you click to it. You click to it, and it will direct you to my community on Telegram, Nova Scalper channel. That is the title name of my channel on Telegram. And don't forget to subscribe me on YouTube. Every day I prepare the short video about trading experience to share with you. So I very appreciate it if you watch it and give me a like. Thank you very much. Oh, Cameron, now I coming back to read the comments, and I realized that the Nightbot deleted. Can you type it again? I cannot read it anymore. Daily 24-hour live channels, really, my friend? I have a dozen tasks to do every day, every weekdays, and I have to spend give the benefits for my VIP members, right? I cannot arrange those time to stream with you continuously like your suggestion. So if you want to receive the qualified scalping signal, definitely that you need to join my community on Telegram and be my VIP signal group members. And the fee, forget about this, because it's just a tiny ant. It's like a tiny ant. Compare with the profit you will gain. And remember, every time you enter any layer when you trade, must be disciplined. That is another important factor. And if you know how to combine my qualified scalping signal with your discipline, boom, 100% that you can capitalize your winning rate. Thank you, Josh, for introducing my VIP signal group fees for me, to all my friends today. I tried opening the charts before, but there's not effective. It's not effective for me a lot. So I decided only 1 hour that I can stream with you. When I interact with you on YouTube, in a specific time frame, it is more effective for my channel development. So I just open it and just showing the chart without saying anything is not good traffic. Yeah, it's not good traffic at all. Okay, so now it's heading back and having reaction at the level that I marked for you. It's matching with the long shadows of previous candle. Yeah, was in New York session. Yesterday New York session. Okay, so if gold price heading to a very high level, far away from current limit order, yeah, I will continue to update about the status in my VIP signal group. Yeah, about the current signal and also my channel. And it's better for us to cancel every signal. Yeah, every order before news release. Okay, just protect our capital and our profit. For today, important news like PPI. Now, everything we should do careful. Yesterday, you can see that it was empty on the screen, right? Tuesday was empty for the red news. But this bearish candle have very long shadow. This is where sharks hunting liquidity, right? So, we must pay high attention to the market, to your trading platform on today's news. Okay, so that is the warning from the big players, from the sharks, from the whales, that we must do our trading carefully. Alright, so go just gradually heading up, just retrace and pull back. Okay, so it's kind of far from our entry zone. Yeah, 100 pips far away from our below order. How to say, it also depends to the market situations. Every time I stream with you, right, I still very remember those time before that continue to gain the profit, yeah, in the seconds with all of you. Yeah, last Friday more than 40 pips, and last Monday another 40 pips profit again. Anyway, that now we can compare with the previous entry zone that I give you. Those are very good position to have, suitable for any swing trader, right? So once again, gold cannot break out from the current price, yeah, current level 55 to 56. Okay, or we can make it larger, like 55 to 57. Those are significant entry zone, bright zone that we will observe and decide for the market further movement in today's New York session. What time is the news? According to Paris time, UTC +2. News will public at 2:30 p.m. Yeah, nearly 1.5 hours later. So we need to pay attention to the time where news release. Yeah, don't miss. Yeah, don't miss, and don't forget the time frame. And it is very dangerous for you if you forget and enter any big volume, near the time news release. So we need to pay attention to the time when news release. Actually, that's in the past I did a silly mistake, and it affected negatively to my trading account last time in the past. Okay, so we should do anything careful and check your trading volume. Okay, check your trading volume in your trading platform. So careful before you enter any trade. If the previous signal you enter one lot, and when news release, you should lower your trading volume if you're not confident. Okay, and we shouldn't be hurry, especially for any action that it will affect your money. Okay, check your trading volume before you decided to enter any trade, especially in the New York session today and until this Friday. Okay. Yeah, because that silly mistake I also did in the past as well. Yeah, so much severe lesson that I have learned. So I really do not hope you have the same mistake like me before. Yeah, it's like that today. The market do not approve for our analysis, right? And make us wait for a long time. Oh, we shouldn't draw this trend line. Yeah, it's not correct. But you can see that gold is gradually forming higher highs and higher low, right? Slow but stable. Slow but stable. And all EMA below are separate. Which size do we use to know the sharp footprints? Okay, you can observe the chart, and whenever you see the candle, any bullish or any engulfing candle, especially having long shadow like this one, very long shadow, and especially having long shadow for both sides like this one. This is called liquidity hunting. You can see that price sweep at two sides and easily kill the buyers and sellers from both sides. 36.74 and 36.55. 20 price distance, right? And this is called liquidity hunting, and easily kills the buyers and sellers at the same time. And this is the candle in the 5 minute time frame, and the distance is around $20. Wow, that was crazy yesterday, right? And after that, it's still upcoming for another bullish candle, a bearish candle. We have a long shadow above and below, but not like this one. Okay, and this was when the market do not have any special news. So that is the reason why I advise you not to be so careless. So careless for bank holiday and one day we do not have any red news on forex calendar. Yesterday, oh, I checked on Forex Factory and there are not any red news. Or just orange. Okay, let me do a filter for orange new. Oh, it's not orange new at all. Yeah, you can see that I did it. I filter for expected impact for both red and orange new. Yeah, did you miss remember something? What indicator have you used for the price? At the moment, you can see the ribbon here that I use the EMA. Yeah, indicators EMA, multiple EMA 834, 89. You click to here and change into this value. 34, 89 and 200. Okay, and for the style, EMA 200, I keep the same. The bonus line, yeah, and remember these values. Okay, and then you will have the indicators drawing like me, and this is we call volume profile. Yeah, and this is simple. Fixed range volume profile. Okay, to measure the trading volume at which specific price zone. Yeah, specific price. At 10 a.m. New York time. Okay, 10 a.m. Oh, it's kind of late. Sorry? 10 a.m. Oh, yeah, 10 a.m. Okay. I guess that today we're missed below entry zone, and I know that maybe later in New York session that is gonna hit our entry zone after reaching all new time high. Okay, so after I end my stream today, I will continue to update about the current situation. Yeah, the situation of the current buy signal that I've provided to you here today. Okay, so can you type the news that published yesterday, my friend Josh? Yeah, because it's not convenient for me to look for looking for my FX book. Yeah. Okay, so let's grab as BTC analysis a bit. Binance. Oh, I deleted my previous drawing in this BTC chart. Oh dear. Alright, so yeah, you can see that BTC is heading back to the higher level. Now this is the short-term recovery of BTC after a drastically bearish momentum that happened yesterday. Okay, so let's check in the daily time frame because I remember that it was collapsed severely last week. Okay, anyway, that's for me this is exactly the pattern for gold for nearly 4 months ago. Yeah, then this is the price range that BTC moving sideways at the moment, and in the daily time frame you can see that it's stuck. Yeah, it's stuck at the distance from two EMA ribbon here, 34 and 89. So be careful, and 113k, no, sorry, 113k 0.5. Yeah, will be your specific level to observe. If it breaks out strongly from this level, Yeah, it will definitely heading back to a higher levels once again. Okay, and this is the border that's BTC moving right zone for recent day. So yeah, like I just shared with you, first we need to identify the current market trend. Second, identify the market right zone. Yeah, so that we can have the specific level to observe and get the script. Yeah, the scenario, specific scenario for the price movement. And now BTC is moving sideways according to daily time frame. Okay, and it's need breakout from 113k.4 level. And another lower level that if it's heading back to bearish momentum, downtrend again is 110k, 110.7k. Identified by a smaller triangle or rectangle box here. Anyway, that BTC really needs some special news. Yeah, because all the investor now focus on gold market because it's continuous to because gold is keep on forming new all-time high, and most of investor now are focusing on gold than BTC. Okay, so it's easily to understand because of the cash flow. The cash flow now is moving in a short term from crypto to gold market. And when gold price moving sideways, it will heading back to crypto or stock market. Okay, so for me it's not anything news caused me surprising. Okay, so let's go back to gold chart to see our signal. Okay, so it's heading back. Yeah, the market is accumulating from the zone 55 to 57 and can break out strongly from the level I marked for you. Yeah, we can see that long shadow in the 5-minute time frame here. Was spiked due to non-farm payroll annual rep folder. Oh, non-farm. As I remember, non-farm happened last week. Friday, September 5. I'm not sure that is the news that you're talking about. Okay, so I will check about this later after I end my stream. Yeah, thank you so much for your information. Okay, so what is your advice? My FX book calendar, isn't it? Okay, so I will consider to have another option. Yeah, thank you so much for your concern, for your advice. Yeah, so very appreciate for this. Revision. Yeah, non-farm payroll revision. I see. Okay, yeah, so very because last time, yesterday, I was busy at that time, so I did not pay attention to any news that happened recently. So it's kind of lucky because after that, there's another victory relating to the buy scalping signal. Yeah, you can follow that, right? You can know that, right? Recent the summary table relating to profit pips in our VIP signal group is kind of touch wood recently. Okay, thank you so much for your sharing. Yeah, so that is the reason why I really happy when I have stream on YouTube. Yeah, because I can increase my interaction and listen many sharing and stories from my friends all over the world. Okay, and now time is up, my friend. Yeah, so sorry to say goodbye, and yeah, I really hope that to see you again. And I would like to repeat once again that in my VIP signal group now I'm organizing my private live stream, yeah, to my members relating to the basic to advanced knowledge, yeah, of trading. And if you want to receive the qualified scalping signal and the private lesson, okay, private lesson live stream, welcome to join in my VIP signal group with affordable fee. Yeah, I believe that everyone can do this. Okay, and thank you so much for joining my stream today, and see you next time. Goodbye, have a lovely day.